week. We got the oil deal over the weekend, but we also had an amazing week last week. How are you feeling on this Monday morning, Jim?
Well, it does feel okay. I mean, we've got a lot of people who are saying that the bottom has been put in, which means that any decline could be less than severe. Maybe it's calming down, Andrew. Maybe you have people come on, and it's just the debate now is when things are going to open as opposed to when things are going to bottom. And I think it's an important thing. I mean, even when you listen to DoorDash talk about, hey, you know what, they're not all out of business. I thought, Tony Zhu, I thought that was a very encouraging conversation. All morning, I think the tone of the conversations is that when do we open? And I think even just a couple of weeks ago, the conversations were, how many people are we going to lose? Obviously, once again, when you say something like that, people say, well, don't you understand more people are going to die? Right. I totally get that. It has to do with, is May going to be a better month?
Jim, though, the thing that I keep thinking about is, we talk about when we're going to get open, and I actually don't see ultimately a problem on the supply side. That I don't think is going to be the problem. There are going to be people who want to go to work and are going to want to supply America, if you will. The question, I think, is actually what demand looks like. So what does it mean to go back to work? And to the extent there are people who are not at work, what not having a paycheck means for them to actually be able to, quote unquote, demand product, to use DoorDash, to go to the restaurant, to go to the Starbucks, to do all of those things, and what that ultimately looks like.
Right. We're in earnings season. A lot of people have cut numbers. I'd like to see all numbers cut, not just forecasts gone, because I think you're absolutely right, Andrew. Like, why isn't oil up big? Well, the reason is because there's just not enough demand. They can't control that. I think that what's going to happen if you have a phased roll out of who comes to work, it's going to be people who have been tested or people who already got sick, because otherwise I think there's going to be too much fear.